Hi guys, today I'll be reviewing the product by Wow Skin Sciences. It's a body wash from the Amazon Rainforest collection. So it contains volcanic gold clay acai, which is a berry from the Amazon forest, passion fruit, and rice oil complex. Right? This is a unique combination of ingredients which I haven't seen anywhere else before. This is a new company that I came across recently. I've seen their advertisements on Instagram and have come across them as some recommendations on various other social media platforms. So I thought it's worth a try. Now, coming to the actual product per se, let me first start off with the packaging that it came in. Okay, I've ordered this on Amazon. I must say, for 250 ml of product, cost was quite reasonable, about 230 rupees, and I think that is very it's comparable to the prices that are available in the market, right? So this is the packaging that it has come in, very compact, very chic, okay, and it also comes with a little card that introduces their new products. Like you can see, they have some sunscreen ranges, some hairstyling creams, etc. And they also encourage you to give your feedback on the products. Like I said, this is a relatively recently launched company, and this is a nice way to communicate with your customers, right? They call this the glow letter, and it's nice. This is what they are talking about, basically launching their product in a very unique way, I must say, right? Apart from that, they also send across this, whether you're happy or not happy. Basically, this is the information for how you can get together with their customer service, with their support team, and either give them good feedback or critique them on their products. Always remember, products don't necessarily have to be all bad. We can always call the customer service and compliment them on how their product is. Now, coming to this product per se, what I found unique about this company is that all their products don't have parabens, sulfate, silicone, or color. Now, specifically for me, I have very bad skin. It's not just about my skin being oily, my skin is very sensitive. There are several products in the market that are filled with unnecessary chemicals which I just simply cannot use, which is one of the main reasons why somebody like me would like to try a product like this. Okay, and apart from the unique combination of ingredients that they've chosen, these additional features will definitely encourage me to buy such products, right? And since the cost is compatible with anything or comparable with anything that is in the market, I think this works very well, right? So now this is how the bottle is shaped. I think it's very cute. They have a golden cap. It's very light. It's a plastic bottle, so don't worry about it falling and breaking in your shower, right? And they have all the necessary information. Apart from that, I think the packaging and the general outlay of this product is very nice, right? They've stuck to some bright bold gold colors, very very attractive. Especially if I see them on the shelf, I think I would gravitate towards it, right? Apart from that, yeah, it claims that it's moisturizing and anti-aging skincare. Well, that is something that I think only people after use will realize. Okay, now what are the parameters that we are looking for? One is, at least for me, I am more concerned about the fragrance, first thing, and second thing is the after feel of the product after I use it. Now, I have used this product twice, and I can safely say that one, it's not a strong fragrance. It's actually a very mild fragrance. It's very good because it leaves you feeling fresh. It doesn't leave you feeling like as if you have put a very strong, horrible cologne on your body. And the second thing is the after feel of this product is definitely very nice, right? I'm trying to open this to show you. Okay, this is, it's a creamy texture, very creamy, like any lotion you would find actually, but it lathers very well. Surprisingly, I didn't think that something like this without chemicals would lather, but it does. And it washes off and it leaves a very soft feel behind. It is not removing the moisture, it is not leaving my skin dry and itchy. So I must say that if I have to rate this product out of 10, I would give it an 8 out of 10. And I am very keen to try their other products. I have also ordered their lemon and pine cone fragrance of body wash. I'll probably review that in the videos to come. So I hope this helps, and I hope this encourages people out there, especially with sensitive skin such as mine, to give this product a try. Bye.